Today we are on a mission to find the rare blue rock thrush, a migrant that hasn't been reported at the Sri Lanka for nearly 20 years. Located in the Ingeniagala area of the Ampara district, this reservoir is Sri Lanka's largest, initiated in 1949 under the leadership of D.S. Senanayaka, and spanning roughly 7,700 hectares adjacent to the Gal Oya National Park. We arrived at 6 a.m. to witness a breathtaking sunrise and walked about a kilometer along the bund, spotting various species, including the endemic Sri Lankan swallow along the way. Fortunately, we didn't have to wait long before we found our target, a magnificent male blue rock thrush whose deep blue and gray plumage glistened beautifully in the sunlight. Despite being a rare visitor from regions like Europe, this bird seemed quite bold as it scanned the rocky terrain for insects, likely arriving here solo. Capturing these incredible shots against such a stunning natural backdrop was a truly special experience, and it serves as a reminder that if you ever get the chance to witness such a rare visitor, you shouldn't miss it. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and we will see you in the next one.